Okay, so students, today welcome in online education municipal corporation, and today's our topic is angle. So before starting the topics, I want to introduce myself. My name is Siddharth Lahane from Newmahi Municipal Upper Primary Education School.
और जोर खाना बोल गए था चलो
Our officer is Mrs. Snehalta Dumre ma'am. Nodal bit officer is Mr. Sharad Kurari sir. Nodal headmistress Mrs. Pushpa Mary Paul madam. Assistant headmistress Mrs. Manpreet Kaur madam. And our CNO uh, Ratilal Burungal sir. So students, see, we will start our day with new thoughts. So today's thought is, who can read this?
It
Yes.
is the most population face which or can be used to teaching words.
The word.
Yes, education is the most powerful weapons which you can use to change the world. Education, without education, you are nothing. Education, we can do anything with the help of education. If you become well educated, you can do and you can achieve your goal, whatever you want in your life. Say other India and others country, they are becoming so powerful in all field, in every field. Why? Due to the well education policy. So to make our life, you have to be educated. You have to take education. So this way, we will move to our topic. And today's topic is
Angles.
angles. Very good. Say, students, first of all, we will see what is meant by angles. Say, everybody knows.
एंगल मतलब शेप अलग अलग.
Yes, shape alag alag, correct. But proper meaning of the angle. See, an angle is a figure made by two rays meeting at a common point. The angle is a figure made by two rays. This one is the first rays and second rays. These are two rays. Okay. And these two rays meeting at this common point. Yeah. Okay. So here is the angle. And some shape, yes, alag shape. Alag shape, but there is some difference. Sometimes that is a circle, sometimes we can see the circle shape, but that is not a angle. Angle is made by two rays, okay? And there should be one common point, that is a angle. So now we will see the types of angles.
Right
So we are
angle.
going to learn three. Yes, yes, very good. Right angle, acute angle, obtuse angle.
Obtuse angle.
Yes. We learned last time in last year about the angles. Okay. So right angle, you know right angle, the measure of right angle. How to identify right, acute, and obtuse angle? How to identify? How to guess? This is the right angle. This is the acute angle. This is the obtuse angle. What is this? This is a. This is a.
Observed angle.
This is a protractor. This is a protractor. This protractor, just I'm showing you. Okay. For identifying the angles 90 degree, less than 90 degree, and more than 90 degree. See, this is a protractor, and this straight line is a 90 degree. This straight line. See this.
90 degree.
This is a 90 degree.
90 degree.
This from your 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. And your 100, 110 means your 90 and your 90. 90 plus 90, 180. Okay? Yes. Yes. So you can count from here, otherwise here. So if our angle measure is 90 degree, that angle is a right angle. Okay? See, right angle means angles of meters 90 degree are called right angles. 90 degree angles. See, we can now we are going to see the shape. See here.
Right angle.
Yes, right angle. And angle whose measure is 90 degree, that is called right
90
angle.
Right.
Yes, this is a 90 degree.
Angle whose
Measure is 90 degree. Yes, this is a 90 degree. Okay.
yes.
That's L shape in capital. Okay.
There is
On protector, we will see on protector right angle. This is a right angle. How? Why this is a right angle?
right angle.
Yes, this is the right angle. Why? Because its measure is
It measures stay
90. Measure is 90 degree.
90.
90 degree. 90 degree means this straight line. Not here and here. Straight line. This way. This is a right angle.
right angle.
Yes. Save. What is this?
Right angle. Right angle.
What is this? This one, this.
Clock.
Very
Clock.
good. Clock. Yes. You can use a clock also to know the angles and to make a practice at home. See, this
Yes.
The 90 degree.
on
Right.
12 and
Right.
our hand on 3. This makes a right angle. Okay? Because this line is straight at 90 degree. So
Yes.
this is a right angle.
90 degree.
Yes, this is right right angle. Now we will see acute angle. Acute angle means what? An angle which measures less than the right angle. It should be less than right angle. Less than 90 degree is called the acute angle.
90.
Yes.
Yes.
Not 90, less than 90.
Angle which
Less than 90. See, this is a 90 degree. Okay? 90 degree means this is a 90. If this line will be here, it will be 90 degree. But this is not 90 degree. This is
no 90.
50. 50. Here is a 50 now. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. It's a 50 degree. Means less than 90. Less than 90. 90 is a greater than 50. Okay? So this angle is called acute angle because this angle is a less than 90 degree. See here, where we can see here.
90 degree.
Here is a 90 degree. Okay.
Yes.
If this line will be straight, if this line will be straight, it will be become right angle. But this is less than 90. Less than 90. Okay. Yes. So that's why this is the angle. Then obtuse angle. An angle which measures more than right angle, more than 90 degree, is called obtuse angle. It should be more than right angle.
90 degree.
Yes, more than 90 degree. More than 90 degree.
C.
See here. This is a 90 degree. This angle is
More
like this. This is a more than 90 degree. Here is a 90. Okay.
90 degree.
And this angle is this measure is 105 degree. Here. This more than 90 degree.
Like. चुप ना इधर माइक चालू
Also, see, is a 90 degrees line. Okay. But our shape, this line is greater than 90. Greater than 90. Yes. Is a 90 degree. Okay.
Yes.
This is a 90 degree.
Yes.
And this all is a more than 90.
More
This is a
than
more than 90. Yes.
90.
Yes, means this is an obtuse angle. An acute angle.
Yes, sir.
Acute angle means this line should be small, means less than 90. It should be like that. Like that, like this. This
Yes.
way. Okay. This
Yes,
is a
sir.
yes. This will be acute angle. This straight
Acute
line will
angle.
be this straight line will be right angle.
Right angle.
And here will
Right.
be obtuse angle.
Obtuse
will come
angle.
here. Yes, obtuse angle. Yes. Okay.
Okay, sir.
See your obtuse angle. 120 degree. 120 degree. Here is a 90 degree will come here. 90 degree will come here. 90. Okay.
Yes,
but
sir.
this arrow and this angle is more
Obtuse angle.
Yes. Very good. More than 90. That's why this is a obtuse angle. Okay. See now, look at the clock given below and tell me the hand makes a right angle, acute angle, or an obtuse angle.
Obtuse angle. Yes, sir.
See, first one. This is
Right
tell me.
angle. No. Oh. Obtuse angle.
This is a yes, obtuse angle. Why obtuse angle? Because this is a
This line is B.
yes, yes, greater than 90. Yes, correct. Yeah, second one.
Acute angle.
Acute angle, very good. Acute angle, yes. This is acute angle. Yes.
The right angle.
Right angle.
Yes, correct. This is a because the straight line.
Straight line.
The right angle.
Right angle. Fourth
Then-
is acute angle.
Fourth is
Acute angle.
yes, obtuse angle. Then
Yes, sir. Right angle.
right angle, very good. In last,
Obtuse.
Acute.
or obtuse.
Acute.
This is a yes, this is a less than right angle. So means less than 90 degrees. So this is a acute angle. This is a
Yes, sir.
yes, acute angle.
Acute angle.
Now next move to
Yes.
now we will see about vertex and arms or sides and naming of angles. See,
The common points is called
called
vertex
Vertex.
and two rays are called the arms or sides of angle.
yes, the common point is called a vertex. Common point means this is a common point. Here, see here, this example.
Yes.
This is a common point. Common
Yes, sir.
point of this side and this side. Both sides meet here together. Okay. So this E is a vertex. E is a vertex.
Vertex.
Yes. And EC and ED.
Arms.
Yes, very good. Arms.
C is arms. D is arms.
Arms or sides.
CEDE.
Yes. CEDE. We can say EC and ED. Okay.
ED, yes.
Yes, and E is a vertex. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then also one thing,
Yes, sir.
this angle, how to read this angle?
E.
If I gave the name CED. Huh.
CD.
CED. Yes, correct. And you can see DEC. You can read both the ways.
DEC.
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 Yes, and here also CED. Okay.
CED or DEC.
DEC.
C.
Yes. One second.
CE and ED are arms of angle.
Yes. This E means vertex. Vertex will be in the middle. It should be in the between
Yes.
C and D. Okay,
D.
this will be in the middle. C here. C in middle and here also both E are middle. So
Arms.
yes.
E
And
is middle.
for showing the angle, symbol of angles, you can use this one. That is a symbol of angle.
Yes. Angle.
Angle CED or angle DEC. DEC.
Yes.
Yes. Now tell me which one is the vertex here?
B.
Very good.
B is
And
vertex.
an arm.
C and A and C. Arms.
A.
And C.
Don't take single letter. While showing the arms, we have to say both the letters.
A, B, C. C.
A, B and BC.
BC.
A, B and BC. Yes.
BC.
We can say BA and BC. These both are arms. Okay. And how to read this? How to read this angle? How to read this?
Angle ABC. Angle
Yes.
CBA.
Yes, angle ABC and angle CBA.
CBA.
Yes. Angle A
ABC.
B C.
C.
And
Angle CBA.
Yes. Angle C
C. B. A.
A. Okay. This B.
Yes, sir.
This B is a what is this?
Vertex.
Very good. This is a vertex and A and C and A and C.
C.
Other point of the vertex. Okay. Other point of the vertex. So
Yes.
the B is a vertex. Other point is a means BC. This is the
A.
arm, and second arm is
C.
and BA. Okay.
This. Yes, sir.
Here.
Yes, sir.
Angle.
Angle PQR. Angle RQP.
Yes. Yes. RQP. Angle PQR.
PQR.
QR or angle RQ.
RQP.
Yes. You can read both the side. And this, what is this?
Yes.
What is this?
Angle.
Yes, this
Angle.
is the symbol of angle. Yes, sign of angle. We can use for writing. Okay, this symbol
Yes,
is
sir.
for writing an angle. Angle PQR or angle
Or
R.
angle RQP.
Yes. Why there is a Q in the middle?
But
Yes.
Q is vertex. Middle is vertex and Q is vertex.
Yes.
Q is
Q
middle,
a
na?
vertex. Yes. Very good.
Q is
a
middle.
vertex.
So Q is vertex.
Yes. That's why Q is a middle. Why? Because Q is a
Yes.
vertex. That is a common point
Yes.
of both the line. This one and this. Their common point, meeting point is here. Okay, both
Yes.
the arms meet here. That's why this Q is a vertex. And
Vertex.
vertex you can take in the middle. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now one diagram is there.
Yes.
In first diagram, name of the angle. In other vertex, and in third one
Arms of an angle.
See, this we have seen PQR. So name of the angles are
Angle PQR or angle RQP.
RQP. Very good. And vertex in this
Q. Vertex. Q.
Yes, because Q is the middle common
Middle
point.
and yes.
Common point. Yes.
Vertex.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Arms of the angle.
Arms of an angle.
Yes.
PQ QR. Oh, QP 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 QR.
Yes, you can see PQ or QP. Any way you can use this. PQ or QP. Here QR or RQ. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
in second one, who can read this?
LMN and angle LMN angle NMN L
Angle LMN.
angle NML
Angle
LMN
LMN or angle
LML
L. Very good. Okay, and vertex?
M.
Yes, vertex is M because M is a common point.
M is common point and middle.
Yes, very good. That's why M is a vertex. And sides of this angle?
ML and MN.
Yes. L. M.
No.
This is a L.
ML.
ML. You can write ML, you can write LM. Okay, ML.
Okay, sir. LM.
Okay. M. L. Okay. This is the side. You can write the side, otherwise M. M. L. And other?
And MN. MN.
M. N. M. N.
N.
Yes, very good. See, this
SUT TUS angle SUT
yes.
angle TUS.
Yes, don't forget to say angle. Okay,
Yes.
SUT, an angle
TUS.
Yes,
US.
angle S
UT
angle
TUS.
an angle
TUS.
yes angle T U
US.
S. Yes. And next column. Next
U.
column.
Vertex.
Very
Vertex.
good.
U.
U. Why was U? Why?
Because U is middle and U is common line.
Yes, common point. Common point.
Common point.
Yes.
Yes.
This is the point. See, this is the point
Yes.
here. Okay. Point of this arm and this both arm. This arm and this arm. Both are meeting here. Both arms are meeting
Yes,
here. Okay. And
Sorry, sir.
yes. Then next column in last column.
SUTU.
Yes, last arms.
Arms of an angle.
Arms and angle.
U
Huh?
yes. USUT.
US.
UT.
Yes. US and
USUT.
UT. US and U.
UT.
UT. So, student, just tell me what we have learned today.
Today's learn angles
Yes.
in right angle,
Yes.
acute angle, and obtuse angle.
Yes.
Is learn
Yes.
and
Very
question
good.
answers.
Yes. And vertex.
Yes, vertex is learn.
Arms. Yes.
Arms,
Arms of an angle. Okay,
vertex,
so
name
just
of the angle,
yes.
diagrams.
Yes. So, student, just tell me.
Yes, sir.
Tell me measure of right angle.
90.
Very good.
90.
Yes, 90
90
degrees.
degree.
Yes. Okay. And measure of acute angle.
120.
Less than 90.
Yes, there is a 90. Yes, also 90.
Acute angle.
Acute angle is 120 degree.
Less than 90 बोला था acute angle.
Yes, very good. Less than 90. Less than 90 means from 0 to 89. From 0 to
Yes,
89.
89.
That is an acute angle. Okay. And 90 degree, proper on 90 degree, that is a right angle.
Right angle,
And obtuse angle.
120 degree.
Obtuse angle is more than 90 degree. From 90 degree, from 90 to 180. Between 90 to
180 degree.
180. Yes. Between 90 to 180, that is a obtuse angle. So, student, just tell me measure of which angle is greater. Measure of which angle is greater. Which angle is greater, bigger?
Obtuse.
Which one?
Obtuse.
Yes, obtuse. Yes, correct. And which angle is small?
Less than
Acute.
90.
Acute.
Acute.
Less than
Yes.
90.
Yes, because acute angle
Le-
is
89 degrees.
yes, less than 90. Less than 90 means from 0
90,
to
yes.
measure of acute angle from
89.
yes, from 0
0 to
to
89.
89. And measure of right angle is
90 degree.
90 degree. Very good. And measure of obtuse angle?
180 degree.
More than 90.
Yes, less than 90.
More than 90.
More than?
More than 90.
90.
Yes, very good. More than 90. Means from,
180 degree.
no, that is an acute angle. 180, na? Yes, from 90 to 180. Very good. Correct. From 90 to 180 degree.
180 degree.
Yes. Okay. That is a measure of angle. Then now vertex. How to know vertex? Vertex means?
Oh,
Two arm
the
joint point. Two arm joint point.
middle is vertex. Common
Point.
point. Because
Yes.
this is common point. Means U is common point. So is a vertex.
Yes. Common points. It's made with the help of two lines.
Two
Two
lines.
arms. Yes. Two lines, two sides, two arms.
Two arms.
Yes. Both arms meeting at common point. And that common point is called?
Vertex point.
Yes, that
Vertex
common
point.
is called vertex. Okay. We learn vertex. After that, we learn naming and reading the angles. Naming and reading the
Yes. Angles.
How to read the angles? Common
Name
point
of-
will be common
Yes.
point will be in the vertex will be in the while reading the
Middle.
angle.
Middle.
Yes, very good. While
Middle.
reading the angle, vertex means common point will be in the middle. Okay. And while writing the angle, we have to use the symbol of angle. This way, just I shown you this symbolism, this
Yes.
symbolism, this sign.
Angle.
Okay. Yes,
Angle.
angle.
Yes. Angle
Yes,
symbol.
yes, correct. Okay. And arms of an angle. How to
UP.
use? Yes, yes.
QR.
You are. Means middle point. This is a
Middle
vertex, and both are the arms. And we can say
arms.
the yes, another name
And
in
help.
we can say sides also. Two side, two arms.
Yes.
Okay. Here, QP
Yes.
and QR. These both are arms. QP and
Arms.
QR are sides.
Sure.
Okay. So this was our
Homework.
yes. Same. Homework is same. You have to practice. You have to write it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
How to write your diagram, name of the angles. But while writing angle, you have to keep in mind what
Angle.
this
Angle.
sign of angle. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Sign of angle and this.
Uncertainty system.
Vertex.
Middle.
Yes. Means this middle word will be here same. Okay. In your
Yes.
this will be how to for your homework. Problem set 24. Okay.
38.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Bye. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe.
Welcome.
Bye, sir.
Bye.